Hi, this is Tim Mai
and AC Ramos, and we are the co-founders of Prosperity Real Estate Group right here in Houston. And we're having a free 2-hour workshop to show you A to Z how to buy and flip houses right here in the Houston market to build your financial wealth.
Yes, we have a proven 3-step formula on how to flip houses and make $10,000 to $30,000 a deal, and we want to share that with you because we want to partner with you on deals. We're always looking for deal partners, and so we're looking forward to partner with you on deals. And so when you register for this workshop, we also have some bonuses for you.
And in these bonuses, we're going to show you how to find deals at deep discounts, how to find cash buyers for those deals, and how to find private lenders so you can purchase these deals yourself.
Yes, so with that, register right here, and we'll see you at the event.
See you there.
Register. See you.